Now class 4th A, subject GSC, and we are studying today lesson 5th, the reproduction in animals. Lesson 5th, reproduction in animals, and here worksheet 5th. Worksheet 5th. Worksheet 5th and D. Answer the following. D. Answer the following. Answer the following. So first question, what is reproduction? Name the two ways by which animals reproduce. Name the what is reproduction? Name the two ways by which animals reproduce. So see page number 32, it is given in the first line. Reproduction is the process by which new living beings are produced. So answer the first, we are writing reproduction is the process reproduction is the process by which new living beings by which new living beings are produced. So name the two ways by which animals reproduce. So the two ways by which animals reproduce are the two ways by which animals reproduce are number one, by laying eggs, by laying eggs. Number two, by giving birth to young ones, by giving birth to young ones. So the two ways by which animals reproduce are number one, by laying eggs, and number two, by giving birth to young ones. So once again you see, And the question, what is reproduction? And name the two ways by which animals reproduce. So here, reproduction is the process by which new living beings are produced. The two ways by which animals reproduce are: number one, by laying eggs, and number two, by giving birth to young ones. So we can write next question. What is incubation? Next question is, what is incubation? What is incubation? Second question. And what is incubation? The process of warming of egg, the process of warming of eggs the process of warming of eggs by egg laying animals, birds, is called incubation. Is called incubation. So the process of warming of egg by egg laying animals as birds is called incubation. Now next, what are the four stages in the life cycles of a butterfly? What are the four stages in the life cycle of the butterfly? Describe with the help of a diagram. So we have to write the third question. What are the four stages in life cycle of butterfly? Question number third. What are the four stages in the life cycle of butterfly? So the four stages in the life cycle of a butterfly are given below. Number 1, egg. Second, larva. Third, pupa. And 4, adult. So these are the 4 stages. And after writing this diagram given in the page number 31, this diagram, you have to draw this. After writing the text, you have to write this diagram first about egg. A female butterfly lays eggs. You draw this diagram. And next, after that, egg. Next, larva. Larva of the butterfly is called as the caterpillar. You have to write this. The egg of the butterfly develops into a worm-like larva called as the caterpillar. And this caterpillar stops eating and ultimately converted into the pupa. So you see here, a caterpillar eats leaves continuously and grows rapidly. After some time, it stops eating and goes into a deep sleep. It forms a covering called a pupa around itself. So after this, next you have to write this pupa ultimately converted into the adult. Finally, the pupa bursts open and then butterfly comes out. So in this way, these are the 4 steps. First stage is the egg, what I have written, this is egg stage, and second larva, this is larval stage, third pupa, and fourth the adult. So in this way, the 4 stages, you have to draw all the 4 stages as given in the page number 31. So after writing this, you have to draw the you have to complete the life cycle of uh, draw the life cycle of butterfly. As given in your book, page number 31. So after writing, you can draw this diagram what is given here. Thank you. That's for today only.